Dad.
Hey, Laura, you look quiet today.
My mind feels tired.
Tired from school?
Yes, Dad. And from thinking.
Oh, tell me, is everything okay?
Teacher talked about tomorrow again.
Tomorrow?
Yes, Dad. She said we will answer questions.
Okay.
She asked me, by 10 a.m. tomorrow, what will you have finished?
Ah, I see.
I didn't understand, Dad.
That is future perfect tense.
Future perfect?
Yes.
My friends answered fast.
That's okay, sweetie.
I stayed quiet.
Oh, that hurts.
I felt small again, Dad.
Laura, listen, sweetie, you are learning.
I also felt tired all day, Dad.
Long day?
Very long.
Drink some water, sweetie.
Yes, Dad.
Good. Now breathe slowly. Learning English takes time.
Yes, Dad.
You don't need to hurry.
I just want to understand, Dad.
And you will, sweetie.
Really, Dad?
Of course, sweetie. Laura, future perfect talks about something that will finish before a future time.
Finish?
Yes, complete.
Oh,
Let me give you an example. By 8 p.m., I will have finished my homework.
you finish homework before 8 p.m.
Exactly. Another one. By tomorrow morning, you will have eaten breakfast.
I will have eaten breakfast.
Good.
Dad, why do we need this tense?
Good question. It helps you talk about goals.
Goals?
Yes. It shows what will be done.
Oh,
It helps you plan.
like schoolwork?
Yes. Like homework.
Wow.
Remember this easy formula, sweetie. Subject plus will have plus V3.
Will have V3.
Yes. I will have finished. She will have eaten. They will have gone.
They will have gone.
Perfect. Now V3 words. Eat, eaten. Go, gone. Do, done. Write, written. See, seen. Take, taken.
Eaten, gone, done.
Very good. Repeat slowly, sweetie. I will have finished my homework.
I will have finished my homework.
I will have eaten dinner.
I will have eaten dinner.
I will have gone to school.
I will have gone to school.
Excellent. Now, Laura, by tomorrow morning, what will you have done?
I will have woken up.
Good.
I will have brushed my teeth.
Nice.
I will have eaten breakfast.
Perfect.
I will have packed my bag.
Very good.
Dad,
Yes?
sometimes I feel slow.
I know.
Friends answer fast.
Everyone learns differently.
I try.
Trying matters.
Tomorrow I will try again.
That makes me proud, sweetie. Laura, listen. We often use by with future perfect.
Bye?
Yes. By means before a time.
Oh.
Example. By 9 a.m., I will have reached school.
By 9 a.m. I will have reached school.
Good. By tonight, I will have studied English.
By tonight I will have studied English.
Excellent, my little champion. Now let's practice your teacher's question. Laura,
Yes, Dad?
by tomorrow, what will you have finished?
I will have finished my homework.
Good. By evening, what will you have done?
I will have helped my mother.
Nice answer. Now let's practice negative. Will not have equals won't have.
Won't have.
Repeat. I won't have forgotten my bag.
I won't have forgotten my bag.
She won't have missed class.
She won't have missed class.
Very good. Now let's practice some questions, sweetie. Will you have finished your homework by 8 p.m.?
Yes, I will.
Will you have eaten dinner by 7?
Yes, I will.
Good. Now speak a short paragraph, sweetie.
By tomorrow morning, I will have woken up early. I will have eaten breakfast. I will have packed my bag. Then I will go to school.
Very clear. Ready for a quick recap, sweetie?
Yes, Dad.
Meaning.
Finish something before future time.
Formula.
Will have plus V3.
Word we use.
By.
Excellent.
Dad,
Yes, Laura?
I felt confused before.
I know.
Now I feel hopeful.
Because you learned.
Tomorrow I will answer teacher.
Yes.
Even if my voice is soft?
Your courage is strong. I am so proud of you. Take rest now. Good night, Laura.
Thank you, Dad. Good night.